Tawba in the Arabic language means to return, to take a U-turn. The stages of Tawbah are 4. The first one is regret. The Prophet ﷺ says, An-nadamu tawbah. Regret is Tawbah because it's the hardest part. Second stage, resolve. What's resolve? Al-azm. It's now, I've thought, oh no, what I'm doing is wrong. Resolve is I reached a point, I'm going to stop this now. I'm going to stop doing this. I've decided. Stage 3, reset. I stopped doing the deed. I was watching something. I realized this is harming my life. I've decided I'm not going to go back. And then number 4, redeem. What is redeem? Redeem is only if you have taken the right of another human being, you have to redeem their rights. You scammed somebody on eBay, you got to give them a refund.